Te cuente, no sale de mi mente, siempre presente, yo estoy pendiente. Estás movimiento. Cada instante, en todo momento.
Alright guys, so we brought everybody that runs in the Keys, we brought them out to Miami. And we're all in Picnic Island, La Islita. And look how it's looking. It's like 10:30 or 11, right? It's like 11 o'clock? It's 11:03 and the whole island is full of speedboats. Little by little, we're gonna take over. This thing is gorgeous. Look at the interior on this boat. Whew. This thing's beautiful. What I got, Ben? Put your phone away. Come here in the water. Oh. Oh man. Alright guys, so we're here at the island and this row we're being proactive. We got everybody who came out start picking up the trash at the island. Only bad thing is it's on a Saturday and it's the island's gonna look like this tomorrow again, but at least we're trying. We're trying to pick up the island. We got a big group of guys with these things and bags, and we're all picking up after the environment. Look at that, little smoky pens. Put it there, babe. Just grab it with your hand, babe. My God. He's probably got 1,000 pounds of oxygen in that boat. I know, I'm gonna get copyrighted for the music in the background, so. What's going on, guys? What's up, bro? What's up, man? Nice to meet you, man. How's it going, guys? Nice to see you again. Hey, where's your boat at? All the way over there?
Yeah.
I gotta go look at it.
Where were you? I wanted to like run with you.
I couldn't find I couldn't launch.
Where's Louis? A long line?
No, I went to every marina in Miami.
No shit.
And then the last one is the one closest to my house. No issues.
Dude, I came in like at
For
7
Homestead.
and the line was already like out there.
Where did you launch from?
The one we launched last time.
Oh, Homestead.
Homestead.
Okay, I launched from Black Point.
Okay, got
But I usually don't like crossing the bay like that on the checkmate, but whatever.
Oh, it was fun.
On your boat?
We were probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 boats. We were coming 30, 40. I did a couple of bursts.
Yeah.
It was fun, man. It was awesome.
Nice, bro. Nice, bro. I'm glad you're out here.
Awesome, man. Thank you, buddy.
Comment down below what other content creator gives you guys this style of content. I just want to know because I want to follow him. Alright, so tell me what other content creator gives you guys this style go fast content. Not trying to be cocky, but I'm just confident. I know there isn't, but if there is, I want to follow him. That thing is beautiful. That's the cleanest action marine I've seen in a long time. Whew. with that 2.5 sounds is amazing. Junior, hey, come here.
Don't break it. Don't break it.
Now everybody, little by little, started a ride to Marine Stadium, and we're gonna chill there. That's the next spot. We got here a little late, so that's cool. Change up the scenery.
Yo, is it that time or what? You know what time it is.
Chino, we took over boat vibes.
Tú eres la mujer que más mamá. Nunca me ha pegado lo.
Pero papi.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we do with the sticks? Ya nos vamos. I got you.
¿En cuánto están
Este, el bote completo creo que está por 40.000, 42.000 ahorita con este motor. $300 Pro it says. Lewis is waiting for this baby.
All right, guys, we're all taking off. Everybody's waiting on me. Look at this beautiful, bro. That boat's beautiful. Hey, I didn't see that. The layout, the engine, everything is beautiful. Okay, perfect, man. I want to see it. You're gonna go over there, right? I want to look at it up close. See? No, I think it's beautiful. Oh yeah. Get next to me. Try to get as close as you want.
Everybody's waiting on us.
Everybody's taking off. We're all going to Marine Stadium. I'm gonna take off first because I'm always the slowest one. So let me take off first. I want everybody to fly by me. Very nice. How does it taste, babe?
Salty, baby. Salty.
Stop!
Então vai segurando. Lingola, moleque.
No time.
DJ, MC Bola, MC Nego Blue e o MC Guimê, junto e misturado.
This thing is absolutely perfect. Black motors only, guys. Mercury, 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 Mercury. Yamaha. Mercury, 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 Mercury. Johnson. Mercury, you're black. Black engines only. Look at that. Beautiful day, guys. Hey, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Only 30% of my viewers are subscribed. Like, what is that? 30%? 70% of you guys are not subscribed. So click the subscribe button, guys. But thank you for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe. And comment down below what else you guys want to see, what you guys enjoyed to see, what boats you guys want to see me take ride-alongs in. We got 23 action. We got my boring checkmate. We got a Lake and Bay. We got an Action Marine. We got a Yellowfin. We got a Motion, 25 Motion. We have boats on boats on boats on boats.
Every boat, every style.
Every style boat that you like, we got them, and they're all fast. So that's very important. All right, so let me know in the comments which boat you guys want to see me take a ride along in. Beautiful day. Take a dip. I'm making a beer, yeah. I need one now. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, Happy there? Going more? No more? That's it? Want to go more? No, yeah. We should go a little more.
More?
It's better to bring it up. Hey, bring it back. Oh, no, she's going out. The engine, you can get her out later. She'll be good. Yeah. Talk about how heavy this shit is. And look, we got one more though.
One more to go.
No, the contender?
The little one.
No, the contender.
Oh no.
And that's the biggest one. En la unión está la fuerza. Hey, you saw that movie. Yo creo que iba a ser el único normal gritando de trineo. Yo empecé a gritar también. Los dos bien normales.
That's pretty fun.
Steph, how you feeling?
Take care of the chips. I said the same shit, bro. I'm just looking at it. I'm having second regret.
Go vibes, come on guys. Thanks, babe.
Oh, the easiest one. That's the lightest one here. It's the easiest one, but it's the heaviest guy.
What about this one? This one?
He's good.
He's good?
You don't weigh, yeah. No, you're good. You don't weigh
Oh, he's
anything.
good. You tired after all that pushing?
I know. I did say I want to start the gym, but not today.
Kind of bad timing for that.